Welcome to Daily Epoch, your daily dose of AI news. Let's dive into today's top stories. Liquid AI's LFM2-2.6B exp is a 2.6 billion parameter model trained entirely with reinforcement learning, so it learned by trial and error. It beats DeepSeek's 683 billion parameter giant at instruction following and runs at 10 tokens per second on your iPhone. Microsoft just revealed how they fixed their Azure SRE agent with context engineering, managing what info the AI sees. They cut 100-plus tools down to just 5 wide ones like the Azure CLI, making it truly reliable in production. GitHub just unveiled RAP, a 4-step framework from their own engineering teams that shows developers how to turn Copilot's coding agent into a backlog-clearing powerhouse by writing better issues and breaking work into atomic tasks. llama.cpp's new Vulkan update adds upscaling with anti-aliasing for vision models and fixes rotary position embeddings. That technique for handling long contexts, eliminating CPU fallbacks for AMD and Intel GPU users. TRAE's Christmas Day hotfix adds Vercel AI gateway support to its Agentic solo mode, letting developers switch between over 100 AI models without reconfiguring API keys. And you can now jump straight from AI chat conversations directly to any file or folder in your project. Meta just open-sourced SpidR-Adapt, a breakthrough framework that can adapt speech AI models to new languages using just 10 minutes of audio, achieving what normally takes thousands of hours through a clever meta-learning technique called bi-level optimization. RevFFN lets you fully fine-tune a 14 billion parameter mixture of experts language model on a single GPU. By using reversible blocks that reconstruct their own calculations, cutting memory in half while actually improving performance. Researchers developed SAMerging, the first method to apply Sharpness-Aware minimization to model merging. It achieves state-of-the-art results by finding flatter loss landscapes, closing 90% of the gap to Oracle models while using 10 times less unlabeled data than prior techniques. ModelScope just released OpenJudge v0.2.0, a framework with over 50 production-ready evaluators that holistically score AI agents on their entire lifecycle from tool use to memory, addressing the critical challenge of benchmarking non-deterministic autonomous systems. Willison's new CLI tool converts Claude code sessions into clean, paginated HTML transcripts you can actually share. It even reverse engineers Anthropic's API to fetch web sessions, turning opaque AI workflows into reviewable records. That's it for today's Daily Epoch AI news. Come back next week for more industry updates.